Good morning, fam. If your shoulders are tight, your spine feels stuck, or your body's been moving like it's half asleep, this is your reset. In just 5 minutes, we're going to blend strength with mobility, open up key joints, and fire up muscles you didn't even know were sleeping. Let's hit the mat and get you moving like you were meant to. This flow move is your full body reset button. It bridges flexibility and strength in one motion. And trust me, you'll feel the difference immediately. Start in downward dog, hands shoulder width apart, hips lifted, heels reaching down. Inhale as you shift forward into cobra. Lower your hips, open the chest, squeeze the glutes. Exhale as you return back to downward dog. Flow slowly. This isn't about speed. It's about control and sensation. Let your breath guide the transition. Here's a surprising fact. Just 1 minute of this dynamic flow improves blood circulation to your spine and brain. Hello, clarity. On the last 2 reps, a pause in each position for 3 seconds. Can you feel your body recalibrating? Do you feel that length in your spine yet? If not, relax your neck and lift those hips even higher. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. This isn't just a stretch, it's a total mobility awakening. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left knee stays down or lifted, your choice. Place left hand on the floor, right hand reaches to the sky. Open your chest and follow your hand with your eyes. This opens your hips and your thoracic spine, 2 areas that lock up when we sit too long. Pulse the twist slightly on each exhale. Can you reach a little higher? That twist just prepped your spine for the balance challenge we're heading into next. That just lit up your hips. Let's even it out. This side might feel tighter. That's your body telling you where to focus. Let's honor that. Do you feel your chest expanding? If not, roll that shoulder back and press your front foot into the ground. Hold for 1 more breath and deepen the twist just 5 degrees. Now that your spine is mobile, let's fire up the glutes. This isn't just a stretch. It's a power pose in disguise. From downward dog, lift your right leg straight up. Keep the hip square, flex the foot, engage your glute, and press evenly into both hands. Think of your leg as a line of energy shooting out. You're not just lifting, you're lengthening. This move builds strength and flexibility at the same time. A very rare combo. Point and flex your foot slowly. Can you feel the calf and glute fire up? That just activated your backside, time to mash the other. Now we balance out. Don't be surprised if one side feels tighter. It's completely normal. Lift with control, not momentum. Can you keep your hips even? Do you feel your glute working here? If not, press your heel higher and tighten the core. Now that we're fired up, let's release some tension from the top. This one seems simple until you realize how much tightness you're holding. Inhale and shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale and roll them back and down. Repeat in slow circles, then reverse directions halfway through. Releasing shoulder tension here makes the next move even deeper. You'll see. Close your eyes and focus on the sensation. Where do you still feel stuck? Shoulders down, heart open. Let's finish with one last stress reliever. Your neck carries the weight of the world, literally and emotionally. Let's release that now. Sit or stand tall. Drop your chin to chest. Gently roll your neck in a slow circle. Switch directions halfway through. Did you know that the muscles in your neck affect your nervous system response? Yep, that's true. Try moving slower than feels natural. That's where the magic happens. Do you feel the pull behind your ears? That's where tension loves to hide. Try holding the deepest part of the roll for 5 seconds. Can you find that sweet release? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.